But like, you come out here on a Saturday, as long as you can get a seat for beer, or Saturday, walk around, have lunch, drink a beer. What more do you need? You let your kids run around the fountain.
Hamburg dachten wir schon, dann okay. Wir haben schon auch
Even in the summertime, they like this way too. It's always wonder how guys come on back. It's hopefully the hair.
Yeah, it should.
I keep on watching the time.
Yeah.
Oh, they're filming something over here, see that?
Yeah, I actually saw a news reporter do when I went over by the water.
Get on the news. But you know what's funny? And almost every time you go to it, they have a square and they all kind of look similar. You know?
I don't understand that culture, and I'm not trying to, what you call them, because some of the same ones, some be all covered up.